how to delete all Snapchat chats at once. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can delete all Snapchat chats at once. In order to delete all your chats at once, you have to follow the steps. The first thing is you have to go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go to the chats icon, and then it's going to take you to the chat page. So in order to delete the chats, you have to long press on the following username. After you long press on it, then you need to go to chats and notification, and here you can just go ahead and tap on clear from chat feed, or you can just go ahead and tap on delete chats, and then the chats will be deleted. Accordingly, if you want to do it for a multiple user at one time, then you have to exit out of here and go ahead and tap on the Bitmoji icon and go to your icon or the settings, and here you need to scroll down a bit. Under account section, you can see there's this option as clear cache. You can do and tap on it, and you'll be able to see this option as all of your cache will be cleared. Your memory backup won't be deleted, which means that your chats will be deleted. If you're sure about it, then click the continue button. However, if you wish to go on with a particular one, then you can go to clear cache, clear conversation, and just tap the cross icon located right in the corner and just tap the clear button. As soon as you do that, the chat history will be deleted. That's how you can delete the chats at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.